What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube with Brad.
Ow.
We got another episode of From the Gallery where we take your vehicles that you submitted to the gallery and rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being, are you okay?
No.
Anyway, we take your vehicles and rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not so great, 10 being super duper awesome. And that's pretty much all you need to know. Also, we have a brand new giveaway shirt. If you haven't seen it, I'm wearing it, kind of leaking it here in the video if you want to check that out. We got this and a whole bunch of other new gear on the website too. Okay, ready?
Have you ever given a 10?
I think I have.
7. Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
Okay. Have you?
So there's no room for improvement. You can never get better?
Here's a 10 right here. 2019 F-250 Super Duty.
You can't ever give a 10.
American Forces, 24x14, negative 90.
Whoa.
Yeah, Fury Country Hunters, the old 35 by 14 and a half. It's a pretty slick size for a 24. And it's just got basically reverse level, 2-inch drop in the back. Wait a minute. Doesn't make any sense.
What?
Yeah, no, okay.
Why does that not
it
make
does,
sense?
it does, it does. I had a
makes
brain for it. It makes
tons of
perfect sense. What do you think, Brad?
This truck is...
What do you think?
This is a very...
It's a very Sean type build,
Very
other
shiny,
than...
very flashy. I mean, I guess it's not really flashy. I really like the color. I think
I
it's
love the color.
the ruby red metallic. I don't know if they still call it that, but I like the color. I like that red.
Slight rub at full turn, minor plastic trimming.
Looks good with the chrome, even though I don't like chrome.
It's
but-
not chrome, Brad. They're
Oh,
American
sorry,
Forces.
they're polished. My B.
Polished aluminum.
Polished aluminum, as the person here would say.
Aluminium.
Yes,
Sure.
I do like that. And dude, look, oh, he left the chrome mirror cap.
Yeah, everything works well.
I mean, of course, it's not my style, but I actually like this. It's actually,
Really?
I like the reverse level,
Yeah?
and it's, I mean, it's clean, it's simple. So like, he doesn't have like 30 light bars hanging off of it.
No.
That's good.
Yeah.
Just clean, simple. I'm assuming it's a platinum, right?
I don't know if it's a
It looks like it's
platinum.
got a platinum grill.
Yeah, I don't have any photos of the tailgate to make it really
I think it's
easy on us,
platinum.
but it definitely could be.
So I mean, it's a super high-end truck, super nice. I mean, I like it.
Oh, based on the Instagram name, I'm gonna tell you, yeah, it's a platinum.
What's it called? Ronnie Platty. Yep, I think it's a Platty.
Yeah.
Oh, 2019 F-250 Platinum.
Yep, there you go. Look at this thing. Thing's slick. Oh, tell me he's got a lifted one too.
A dually. Yeah. Or
Do you think it's his? Oh, it's probably this.
Ruby Red Gang. I was right, dude. Ruby Red Metallic.
This is sweet.
That's Ford's best color. She's pretty sweet.
I like her truck. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
7.3. 9.
9 even. Are we doing even numbers this time?
No, you
Ooh.
can never do even numbers.
Okay,
Those are
8.9.
rookie
8.9.
8.9.
It's really simple, but it's really clean, and I just really like the way that these things look.
Not too tall.
You don't have to do a whole lot to it. I mean,
Yeah.
there's a lot of money stuck into the American Forces. I like that, like the polished wheels just go well with all the chrome accents, and then it's like the wheels look like they got some concavity to them too, and it's a crazy negative offset.
Yeah, -9. What was it? -90?
Yeah, so I dig it.
I like it too, even though it's not my style of truck because it's got super tiny tires, but
Yeah.
it's just super clean. So I mean, it's hard to beat a clean truck, and it's not too tall. Reverse level.
Even I can
can't
still
beat
get into it.
Ford could get into it with minimal effort.
Mhm.
It has, well, obviously it's got the electric running boards.
More Fords. 2015 F-150 Extreme Force XF1s, 24x14, -76s. The old Mud Champ, 35 by 12 and a half.
I've seen a major flaw on this truck, Fuller.
Oh, what's that?
It's got squatty potty going on.
Yeah, super lift suspension, 6 inches in the front.
0 in the back.
In the back, I'm
definitely
gonna
stock
say
height in the
stock
rear.
height in the rear, yeah.
Oopsie.
Got another platinum here,
Platty crew.
Louisiana.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow, that's a significant amount of squat.
I wonder if he likes Tony's.
I hope so.
If you don't know what Tony's is, you should definitely try it. It's a fantastic Creole seasoning.
Rear factory blocks removed. So not only does it not have the lift in the back, it's actually technically lower in the back.
Do F-150s have factory blocks?
Yeah, don't they have just like an inch one? It's like
I
an inch
know
and
Chevys,
3/4 or
GMs
something. It's
do.
pretty small.
GMs do. I didn't think Ford F-150s did. I don't know.
The guy
Could be
says
wrong.
so I'm gonna take his
We'll
word
have to
for
go
it.
with it.
I like the color of the truck.
I like the
It's
color of
gray,
the truck, and that's
but-
probably about it. I don't really like much else about the truck. It is clean. I mean, I was gonna say it's clean, but he's got wheel lights. I'm not a fan of.
And then what
I'm
are
not
these?
a fan of lighting,
Oh, okay,
but I'm
it's just-
super boring. So. Hi, Brent.
Okay, all right. Okay,
What?
I'm ready. I'm good. I got it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
5.1. Oh, dude, we're both in the fives.
Yeah,
We're on the
5.8.
same page.
5.8. I don't mind a little bit of squat, but this is a significant amount. And the other thing that I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of is the finish of the wheels being this like brushed silver on a gray truck. There's just a lot of gray
Too many different tones. of
going
gray.
on. And the wheels themselves are it's very flat faced, which is like a typical forged styling, but there's a lot of, the blades are really big, I feel like. They're really thick. Like I
I
like a
feel
little
like
bit
that
thinner.
wheel design is super like 90s, early 2000s. Like that, just the like curvy spoke design like that. That's
I don't know. I would just bring the back end up, and then I think it would totally change my mind on the fives. But
you gotta be a different breed to be into the
there's
squatty
plenty of
gang.
people that love this look.
Everyone loves squatty. Well, not everyone. A lot of people love squatty. Should I close my eyes?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Fred, you don't have to keep closing your eyes.
Can I look?
Yeah, you can look. It's on the screen. We're ready to
This
go.
is what you wanted to show me?
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be something cool.
Well, this guy sent it in, and I actually wanted to show it.
I thought you were gonna show me like an off-roader. I was gonna get excited about it.
No.
All right. Read the specs.
All right, so we got a 17 F-150, DS 544s, 14 wides, a NATO 420s, 305 45, BDS leveling kit.
It's got a Raptor grill.
It does not have a Raptor grill. He doesn't have the big thing that says Ford.
That's
He's just got the lights like a Raptor.
That's like a Raptor grill.
So Brad doesn't like Raptor style grills.
I do not like when people put Raptor grills
This
on
isn't a
non-Raptors.
Raptor grill. He just has the lights.
It's like Raptor
Kirk
lighting.
has the lights.
And I don't like that either.
Oh boy. Black housing headlights, very white and black theme here. Blacked out taillights.
So this is what I'd call more of like the street truck look, I guess.
It's got a
Right?
Stormtrooper sticker. Tires are a bit stretched on there.
Yeah. Street truck, bro.
Crew cab. Sits very level. Look at this, this is nice.
Street truck stuff.
Yeah. Painted emblems. Is that street truck stuff too? Wheel lights, not wheel lights, rock lights.
He didn't have wheel lights?
No, he didn't have wheel lights, he says rock lights. Brad, you don't even like wheel lights. 2.5-inch BDS leveling kit and blocks removed in the back.
Okay. I
Major
guess
plastic
F-150s do
trim.
have blocks in the rear factory.
Mhm.
Because everyone keeps
Two
saying it.
people said it. We know it's true.
Yeah. It is a nice clean truck. I like smaller trucks, like not lifted a lot. More practical.
Does this qualify?
Yes, this qualifies.
Even though it's street tires?
I mean, I don't like stretch tires, but it's done nicely. It's like a nice setup at least.
Yeah. I think it's a good daily driver, especially if your truck literally never sees any sort of off-road. Like,
Yeah, it's a good.
if you want to
it's
put
a good
Nitto
street truck,
420s
dude.
on it, yeah,
Street
I
truck.
don't care. I actually really like the grill as much as Brad hates it. I think it's awesome.
Whoa, I don't hate it, dude. Hate's a strong word. Did
Strongly
I say hate though?
dislike.
I might have said hate.
You might have at one point. I don't know if it was today or the other day, but you probably did. Okay, number for it.
I do like white trucks though. White's a classic color.
Classic. I thought black would be a classic color. Remember?
That's also a classic color.
Okay.
White and black.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
6.1.
You talked highly of it, but then you gave it a 6.
I will go over that. Yes.
Go
Okay.
ahead.
The reason I ranked this truck a little lower than what Ford was expecting is the stretch tires. The stretch tires killed it for me. If we had a straight sidewall on them, I would have been much happier. And also the Raptor-esque grille, that killed it for me too. But otherwise, it's a very nice truck, very clean. I like the leveled look, and that's all I have to say.
So Brad just took off more points than I would have, because I also am not a huge fan of having stretched sidewalls. So like I think if you did a 12 wide on this setup, it'd be a lot closer to straight up and down. And you'd also probably have a little bit more like usability out of it.
You have
could
stretched tires on your Solstice.
on the back for drifting. The fronts aren't stretched.
For drifting.
Slidey.
For drifting.
It's cheating. But yeah, I think I would just go with 12 wides. They'd fit on there a little better. Wouldn't have to do quite as much trimming. You could get some full turns out of it if you're going to use it as a daily driver. Considering it has street tires on it, that's what I would do. I think the grill is awesome.
This thing rub.
I like it a lot. Sled rub at full turn with major plastic trimming. And the front crash bars were taken out.
Okay, so then that would probably be more than plastic trimming. If you're cutting the crash bar, I think that qualifies as
maybe they didn't cut
trimming.
them. Maybe they unbolted them and took them apart. You can do that. It just is very involved.
Front crash bars removed, so yeah, maybe he did remove them.
Yeah. But I don't know. I really like it. I think white and black. I don't think you can go wrong with white and black. I like the headlights
black,
too.
Two classic colors.
And then the inside of the door handles painted black as well.
Timeless.
But the white grab handle. I think it's
I like
really
the
nice.
headlights. I didn't really actually notice that.
How can you not notice that, Brad? TS544s too, which is like the most common wheel ever. This would look good on chrome wheels too.
Why do we not show the
Or
tire?
color
How do we
wheels.
not have that? Why do we not show that?
We definitely have it. It's just the website's broken. All right, guys, if you want to add your vehicle to the gallery, it's at customhouses.com/add. You can add it. We'll rate it. We promise Brad won't be super mean to it.
Can't promise that.
Brad right now is trying to figure out why the website
have
did
to
a
report
weird
this
thing.
bug.
Yeah, we're going to have to contact the Ninja department so they can get this fixed. But head on to customhouses.com/add. Add yours. Or check out the rest of the gallery with all the sizes and specs that you need to know what fits your truck. Yeah?
Yes, do that.
All right. Peace.
What are these?